You know how they say don't bring sand to the beach? Well, I'd like to add don't bring sand into your home and put it on the wall. Because if you would like to see sand wall make sandpaper, I will show it to you. Just turn your volume off for now because this is going to get loud because I'm about to sand the sand wall. There's sand in my wall. Can you see it? You can hear it. Hear that? ASMR? ASMR sandpaper wall? Sand wall? Enter the Sandman? Yeah. There's sand in the wall. And I've already sandpapered it. I've already sanded it. It's been sanded. And I'm still sanding it more. I've knocked off the tops, but it's still coarse like sandpaper on my wall. But I'll show you. I'll show you some sandpaper, sand wall, sandpaper, sand, sander meets sand wall. Okay, volume off. Here we go. You're about to see the fun that is sanding a wall that's coarser than the sandpaper. You can turn your volume up. It's official. The sand wall has won the sand fight. The sandpaper. I wish I could get sandpaper as strong as my sand wall, so it could be like sand wallpaper meets sand wall. And then it could be a fair fight, you know? Because right now it's sandpaper versus sand wall. And I really think this is real sand on the wall. And Mother Nature, she's no joke. This is some man-made sandpaper. And sand wall wins. Mother Nature wins. She always wins. She always wins. Because the wall texture is not changing much. Like little by little maybe, inch by inch, row by row. It's really just knocking the tops off of that sand. ASMR. Yeah, you hear that? You hear that texture? You hear it? That coarseness? Yeah, it's all been sanded. And it's still got texture. Sand wall wins. Sand wall wins, my friends. There you go. In case you wonder who's going to win, sand wall or sandpaper. Now you know. Sand wall 1, sandpaper 0.